Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to apply color in alternate rows or columns in Excel, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. First of all, select the rows and columns or the data in general. Now in the Home tab, go to Conditional Formatting, which is in the Styles column. Click on the downward pointing arrow and select New Rule. After this, choose this option which reads Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now go to the original article and copy this command line mentioned here. After this, paste it in this rules window. Then click on Format. Go to the Fill tab. If it's on the Font tab, go to the Fill tab. Choose the color, let's say it is red, and then click on OK. Then click on OK once again and you will see alternate colors. It should be noted that the first formula is for the rows and the second formula is for columns. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.